In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Outlook mailbox size and limit. If you want to know how much storage your Outlook mailbox is using and how close you are to your limit, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. This is useful if you've noticed your inbox getting crowded, if messages are not syncing the way you expect, or if you simply want to keep an eye on your available space. To begin, go to Outlook Mail in your web browser. Make sure you're on the main mail page where you can see your inbox and folders. Starting from the mail view is important because that's where the settings we need are easiest to access. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is the small gear-shaped icon. Clicking it opens the settings panel where Outlook keeps many of the options related to your account, display, and mailbox management. After the settings panel opens, click on Account. This section contains the settings related to your mailbox and profile. If you don't immediately see everything you need, just take a moment to look through the menu carefully, because Outlook may organize these options slightly differently depending on updates to the interface. Next, click on Storage. This is the area where Outlook shows information about your mailbox space. Here, you'll be able to review how your storage is being used, which can help you understand whether large folders, old messages, or attachments are taking up most of your available capacity. Then, click to expand email storage. Expanding this section gives you a more detailed view of your mailbox usage and helps you see the size of your email storage in relation to the overall limit on your account. This is the key step for checking both your current mailbox size and the storage cap associated with it. Once you've opened that section, take a moment to review the information shown on screen. If your mailbox is getting close to its limit, it may be a good time to clean up unnecessary emails, especially messages with large attachments or items in deleted folders. Keeping an eye on your storage can help. Outlook continue to run smoothly and prevent issues with receiving new mail. And that's it. That's how to check your Outlook mailbox size and limit quickly and easily from the Outlook Mail settings.